Hello foodies, welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Ayo. Thank you for subscribing and loving. Let's make this delicious fruity parfait using the simple recipes. First, I have my strawberry yogurt. I love the strawberry flavor. You can use any flavor, vanilla, coconut as you like. And then I have my almond. I have my tropical granolas, and then I have my fruits. I'll be using seedless grapes and strawberries and apple for this recipe. First, I proceeded by cutting my fruits. I'm cutting them because you want your fruits to be chewy. You want them in manageable sizes. You don't want to choke anyone, especially if you're going to be having kids eating this parfait with you. So I washed and cut my fruits into manageable sizes. I'm going to be doing this for all of my fruits, and that's me packing my grapes away to cut the next fruits. I'll be also cutting my apples. I'll be taking away the stalk in the middle, and particularly I love to cut them in cube size. Again, it's chewy. You can have as much as possible in your bowl of parfait. And then I'll be cutting my strawberry as well. And once I've prepared all my fruits that I'll be using to garnish this fruit parfait, I'll pack them aside, and then the next thing is to load my bowl or my cup, as the case may be, with the yogurt and all of the ingredients. So this is what my yogurt looks like. I'm going to stir thoroughly just to make sure that it's smooth. I'll start by putting some of the strawberry yogurt in the cup, and then all I just need to do, you don't need to follow my consistency, do as it pleases. I'll be layering the fruits that I've diced in the cup. I'll go in with my what's it called, granola, and then I would go in with my almonds. I'll go in with all the fruits, and then I would layer again with another spoon or another level of strawberry, and then I layer again with my fruit, almond, and as the case may be. And finally, to give you that beautiful look and topping, I'm going to be putting the strawberries and the grapes at the top to give it that, eye-catching and presentable dessert. You can do this for parties, you can do this for brunch, you can have this for breakfast and even events. A lot of people sell this now and make it as, a source of income or as a source of livelihood. If you love this recipe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what other content you'd like me to choose. And thank you for watching and supporting always. Until we see you next time. Bye.